Okay, happy Thanksgiving, everybody. This is Brenda. Say hi, Brenda.
My mouth is full.
All right.
That's good. That's what it's
These are my roommates. This is Marcella. Say hello.
Hi.
What are you guys thankful for today?
What do you think?
That pie for breakfast?
Yeah, this pie for breakfast.
Okay.
And the hens that made it. The hens that made it, and another day to live. Brenda's still tired from last night.
Perfect.
Yes.
Okay, well, here's a close-up of the pie. Almost gone.
Sorry, I make it
Take
look.
them in the kitchen too.
I have to make some cheesecakes.
These are the other pies. And happy Thanksgiving, everybody.
Happy Thanksgiving, everybody.
Yeah. Say happy Thanksgiving.
Happy Thanksgiving.